Someone is thinking about me hardcore because my nose is itching. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you what is inside my February edition of Pandora's box. Yes, it's late in the month again, but that's my bad. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So I do have my February edition of Pandora's box right here to show you guys. It is a hefty bag. So let's go ahead and get on into it. For those of you who may not be familiar with Pandora's box, it is a monthly subscription service that focuses mainly on indie brands. You get about 7 to 10 items a month, and it is a vast variety of makeup, bath and body. We get some jewelry sometimes. We've even got some candy sometimes. It is a very great variety of indie brands and indie brand goodies. Every month from the 1st through the 15th is the pre-order window to order the box. You can either A, sign up as a one-time deal, therefore you can pick and choose which boxes that you want, or B, you can do a reoccurring charge like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, and the rest of the subscription boxes out there. Now, the perks of being a reoccurring member is that you get an extra goodie in your bag each month. It's a nice little surprise. Also, they do have what is called early registration for those of you who may want to just try a month at a time. And if you order your box during that early registration period, then you get a free gift as well. It's nice little perks that just make everything great. Then when the month rolls around, the package does go out from the 1st through the 5th, depending on what day it falls on, if it's on a weekend, any holidays, and of course, you know, delays with either weather, COVID related, you guys know, all that jazz. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so this is the bag. This is a hefty bag. There is a lot of stuff in here. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Let's go ahead. I do have the email in front of me telling me what brands are in the bag and what items they have given to us. It says on here, thank you for choosing Pandora's box of indie obsessions. Each month is dedicated to fandoms. The February's edition theme is Carry On My Wayward Son, which of course is from Supernatural, I believe. Yeah, I did not watch Supernatural. Don't come for me. But yeah. There's a free gift for early release and auto renewal orders. This month, there is no label on the bag. My printer decided to have a tantrum. Oh, normally this big bag, she has a sticker on it or a label on it that has what brands are in the bag. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item we have is a lipstick. I don't know what brand this is from. It just says lip color, and it's in the shade Queen of Hell. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a real pretty color. Okay, so this is actually from the brand Color Cosmetics. I do believe this is their debut in Pandora's box. And it says, from Color Cosmetics, they have included a full-size lipstick inspired by none other than Rowena herself. Of course, when it comes to anything makeup related, Rowena is the first character thought of. One of my personal favorites about the show is how many bad guys turned good guys. In this email, when it talks about it's Amy from Pandora's box. So yeah, that is a very pretty color. I can't wait to use this. Let's see what this is. I like the little imprint on it, the stamping. Okay, this is different. I do believe this is a coaster. Oh, look how warped my face is. I do believe this is a coaster of some sort. It looks like we got a sticker or a tattoo as well. And this is from another brand making their debut in Pandora's box, and it is Cantrip Creations. I had to say that very slow because I almost said catnip. We have a new item for their debut into Pandora's box, a Ryzen coaster you can slide into your car or couch cup holder. That is nice. I can't wait to put that in Little Red. Little Red is our car. This coaster was designed with the inspiration of the salt and burn present throughout the Supernatural show. All right, next up, we have some lollipops from Lollies by Leah. We have Teddy Bear Doctor and Lollipop Disease. It says on here from Lollies by Leah, we have 2 lollies made specifically for this edition. Each order received 1 of each flavor, each inspired by the show Supernatural. Teddy Bear Doctor is a crunch cereal, salty peanut butter and chocolate chips. And Lollipop Disease is lavender apple ice cream flavored. That is interesting. The Trickster, aka Gabriel, is one of my favorite supporting actors. Let's be real, every character was amazing. And knowing that the Trickster loves candy, I thought of Leah right away. Okay, next up from Augusta Rose Designs, we have a whipped salt scrub, not a sugar scrub, a salt scrub. In the scent, don't forget Dean's Pie. Let's go ahead and give it a little smell. Ooh, that's an apple cinnamon right there. It's on here from Augusta Rose Designs. We have a 2-ounce sample sized whipped body scrub scented in Don't Forget Dean's Pie. Of course, Sam made the monumental mistake of forgetting Dean's Pie one time during the show, and for Supernatural fans, that small scene is unforgettable. We got something with some little heft to it. This is from the brand Eternally Creepy, and it is a candle. It says Stay Protected, and it's in the scent Strawberry Bourbon Cake. Let's go ahead and give her a whiff. Ooh, it's a wood wick candle. Blah, 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 blah. That's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, I can smell it already. Oh, this smells amazing. It just smells like strawberry cake. Oh, so good. It says on here from Eternally Creepy, we have another new item to Pandora's box. This is a blend of soy/coconut wax with a wooden wick. 4-ounce glass jars, all randomly selected per order. I got strawberry bourbon cake and I'm stoked over it. I have never had a candle with coconut wax in it, so this is going to be new to me. Ooh, from Wonderland Apothecary, we have a bath bomb. That's what it looks like. I have to tell you guys this real quick. My nephews love her bath bombs. If you guys remember, I had gotten the set of the 4 Nightmare Before Christmas bath bombs. It was a Jack Skellington and Oogie's Boys. And my nephews loved them in the bath. They just, yeah. They love them. I actually did a custom order through her and got some SpongeBob ones for them. But this is really cool. It says on here from Wonderland Apothecary, we have a steampunk themed hand-painted bath bomb for their debut into Pandora's box. This was actually supposed to be in last month's January edition, but it missed the deadline to come in because of delays in mailing. It is scented with black raspberry and vanilla. We have confirmed their reappearance in Pandora's box, so keep a lookout. I love Wonderland Apothecary. They are just amazing. Randy is just a dream to work with. She's awesome. Alrighty, next up we have some little samples of glitter from Fair Beauty Cosmetics. We have Ice Phoenix and we have Banshee. It says on here, from Fair Beauty, we have some samples of glitter/shadow randomly selected per qualifying order. This was the free gift for early access and auto renewal orders. Next up, from Haunting Beauty, we have a talented fingernail polish in the shade Bloody Mary. And look how gorgeous this red is. I cannot wait to use this. I love me some red fingernail polishes. I don't know what it is between red fingernail polishes and red lipsticks that I absolutely love, even though I'm not wearing red lipstick today, I'm wearing brown. From Haunting Beauty, we have a gorgeous full-size nail polish. This one was also inspired by Rowena. I'm trying to say that as best as I can. This is red without being red obnoxious. That's what I want to say. To me, this is more of a power red, which would make sense that it was inspired by Rowena. And the last item I have is from Psyche Minerals, and it is a ring. And look how gorgeous this ring is. That is super pretty. This is actually the second ring of hers that I have, and they are just so gorgeous. From Psyche Minerals, we have a hand-painted ring. It's been a bit since we had any jewelry from Psyche Minerals, so when she showed me these, it was super exciting. Made me think of a scene where Lucifer was trying to get Jack to leave Earth with him. The galaxy is such a beautiful place, and this ring really captures that. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead and clean all this up, and I will be right back with all the pricing for these products. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go down the prices for these products. I was looking through my email and I was supposed to get an eyeshadow from Notoriously Morbid, but it wasn't in my package, but that's okay. No sweat off my back. I'm not too worried about it. Hey guys, Editing Melissa here. Pardon my lipstick. It's ready to come off. I actually did end up getting my Notoriously Morbid eyeshadow. It is in the shade Mark of Cain. It is a very, very pretty color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's super pretty. It fell on the floor. It probably rolled out while I was trying to get stuff out of the bag, and the hubster found it. So I did get it. The Salt Scrub from Augusta Rose Designs, it retails for $12 to $14 for an 8-ounce size, and that does include shipping. The Coaster from Cantrip Creations, it retails for $5, and she also does take commissions as well. The lipstick from Color Cosmetics retails for $10. The candle from Eternally Creepy retails for $9, and that is a really good deal for a candle that is wood wick and that has that soy coconut blend. Glitters from F.A.I.R Beauty, they retail $6 for a full-size glitter or most pressed eyeshadows. The nail polish from Haunting Beauty is $6.95, and this is a full size. The lollipops from Lollies by Leah are $1.50 for 2. The ring from Psyche Minerals is $9. It says it's approximately $9, that it varies when it's available. And this particular design would be about $9. And the bath bomb is $6.50, and her bath bombs are amazing. They are kid approved, so make sure you go check those out. I really did enjoy this month's edition, even though I am not a Supernatural fan. I think that the products are amazing. Pandora's box does retail for $30. It's $25 for the box and $5 for shipping. So you get your bang for your buck. I think that this is a very great addition. There's a wide variety. I love how we got a home goodie now. It's just, it's amazing. My nose is getting on my nerves. I will place links down in the description box of each brand that was in this month's edition. If there happen to be any discount codes that are listed in the email, I will post them in the description box as well. None of them are mine. I don't have any for any of these brands. So if you happen to use them, I don't earn any commission off of them whatsoever. I will also place the link for Pandora's box should you want to try it out for yourself. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products I used for this makeup look will be listed in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. I think I'm gonna burn this tonight when the hubster's at work. Oh, it smells so good. Woo! Indie brand goodies. I know my nephews are going to love this.